Let's learn how to preview your app using QR code with Choicely. When you want to see how your app looks on the phone, you can preview it by using our mobile app, also called Choicely Studio. You can do that in 3 steps. Download the Choicely Studio app on your phone. Find your QR code on choicely.com. Scan the QR code on your phone to test your app. Navigate to Apple App Store or Google Play on your phone and search for Choicely Studio or just Choicely. Download the app and open it. Find the QR code of your app in Choicely App Builder on your computer. Go to your brand on the left-hand menu, navigate to Apps, and click on your app's name. Now you'll arrive to a view like this. Click on the Preview button on the top menu, and you'll see the QR code that you can use to preview the app. Now return to the Choicely Studio mobile app on your phone. Navigate to Scan on the bottom menu. Click on the Scan button and scan QR code with your camera. Now your app's name is found below the light green Scan button. Click on the name of your app and you can test it live. You can use it, tap on links, and browse around freely. Close and reopen the app to exit the preview. And that's how it's done. Do test your app often on the phone, as elements can look different in the builder.